Good morning, my dear students of class 10. Whether it is ICSE or CBSE, so you must know how to solve quadratic equation. The very first thing, it is required in not only to solve the problems of particular syllabus in the quadratic equation, we often get in trigonometry as well as in many other questions also. So it's a very important topic to find out the roots of the quadratic equation. So till date you have learned to take out the quadratic equation by finding out the middle term. Sometimes you felt it's very difficult to find it out, लेकिन मैं आपको एक साधारण सा तरीका बताऊंगा जिस तरीके में आपको दिया गया हुआ है श्रीधराचार्य's rule. I'll let you know in details and also I'll let you know 2 to 3 questions which questions are very useful for 2025 ICSE and CBSE examination. So let us go with quadratic equation. Actually, quadratic equation, it's a general equation of degree 2 in the form of, we can write here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So sometimes we feel difficult to find out the middle term, and sometimes we have in questions that the roots are real, the roots are equal, then we get confused what to do and what not to do. But no need to be getting confused, I am there to help you out. So first let us write in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, and with respect to the Sridharacharya's rule, we have d for discriminant. D for discriminant. So you have to find out number 1, D. So what is D? D is b square minus 4 into a into c. Here b is the coefficient of x, a is the coefficient of x square, and c is the constant term. First of all, you have to find it out. Now you have to find out the result, the characteristic of b square minus 4ac. Sometimes we get number 1, d greater than 0. When this value is greater than 0, here let us say we get 2 roots, say alpha and beta. Because the degree is 2, we have 2 answers of x, and that means we have 2 roots. Let us take alpha and beta. So if d is equal to, we know that d is equal to b square minus 4ac, and if the answer of this be greater than 0, then there is only one conclusion, that we get real roots. We get real and distinct root. Number 2, if d is equals to 0, then what we get? If this is equals to 0, we get real and equal root. And number 3, if d is less than 0, we get actually imaginary root. Why do we get imaginary root? Because if d is less than 0, that means it is in the form of negative, and to find out the negative value, to find out the root of the negative value, you have not learned. It is there in the class 11. We get imaginary roots. So I have written here imaginary roots. So we have to get more. Am I underlining this? So when d is equal to 0, we get real and equal root. Or most of the time, the question belongs to 2 marks. Question belongs to from this type of equations, this type of questions. I'll let you know. So at first you have to find out from this equation. You have to find out d is equal to b square minus 4ac, where alpha and beta are the 2 roots. So here the general equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and let alpha, beta and alpha the two roots of the equation. So first we find out the discriminant t, which is equals to b square minus 4ac. Now you have to find out root t. So root t is equals to root over b square minus 4ac. Clear? So since alpha and beta are the two roots, so from here we can get the two roots as, hence the two roots are alpha is equals to minus b plus root d by 2a, and beta is equals to minus b minus root d by 2a. तो चलिए पहला क्वेश्चन जो आपका बनता है ये आपका 2018 को आया हुआ था. क्वेश्चन था x square plus 7x is equal to 7 and you have to give your answer correct to two decimal places. So how to write, in which way write, I'll make you understand clearly. सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है कि इक्वेशन को लिखना है और कंपेयर करना है जनरल इक्वेशन से. So let us write this in the general form. So this can be written as x square plus 7x, bring out here, minus 7 is equal to 0. Then you write here comparing with general equation, comparing with general equation. So ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. On comparing, what we get right on here, we get a is equals to, the coefficient here is 1, b is equals to 7 and c is equals to minus 7. By using Sridharacharya's rule, we have d is equals to b square right on here, b square minus 4ac, where b is 7, 7 square is 49, minus 4 into 1 into minus 7. That is equals to 49 minus minus plus 4 sevens are 28, which is equals to 77. Now you have to find out the value of root d. Now simply you have to find out the value of root d, and remember to find out the value of root d, if you forget it, try to understand. I am going to make you understand again. Since the question is given up to two decimal places, so we have to take, after 77 we have to take 4 zeros, means 0.0000 to get two decimal places. Let us find out root 77 here. So right here 77.0000. Why we have taken this? Because they have asked us to find out up to two decimal places. So here 77, 8 square is 8 8s are 64, 9 9s 81. So we cannot take 9, we are going to take it 8. So 8 8s 64. Put this point here, bring these two zeros down. Since you have written here 8, add 8, 8 plus 8, 16, make a small place over here. Now you have to put a certain number over here such that you have to multiply the same number with this total digit to get this. So let us take 7, 167 into 7. 7 7 49 9 4, 7 6 42 plus 4 46 6 4, 7 1 7 plus 4 11, 1 1 6 9. So you write over here 7, you write here 7, so we get 1 1 6 9. So you have written here 7, add 7, you get here 14, 7, 1, make again a space here. Bring these two zeros here. So let us try again with 7. So how much we get? 1747 into 7. 7 7s 49, 9, 4. 7 4 28, 32, 2 carried 3. 7 7s 49, 52, 2, 5. 7 1 7 plus 5, 12. Write it here. 1, 2, 2, 2, 9. So automatically we got up to 2 decimal. So your answer is more or less equals right on here 8.77 approx. Now let us go with the value of alpha. We know that alpha is equals to minus b plus root d by 2a. So here in the question, given question, minus b was minus 7 plus 8.77 by 2 into 1 minus 7 to minus. So we get alpha is equal to minus b, this formula, and beta is equal to this formula. Now b is equal to, we know that 7, so minus b is minus 7, and root d we already assumed from here, we get 8.77. So on simplification you get this, and here they have asked up to 2 decimals, so this is up to 2 decimal, because after that what is given here? 5. So you have to maintain this and go in the round figure, so your answer becomes 0.89. Don't leave out answer here. Your answer should be this, and in the same way your answer should be this.